Hey there, Pause Mavens, and those just starting out on the content creation journey. In this edition, I've uncovered a gold mine of neural networks that often fly under the radar, fueling not only my channel's success, but also serving as secret weapons for content creators worldwide. As your guide in this digital adventure, I'm thrilled to spill the beans. Today, we're immersing ourselves in the extraordinary world of rare and downright awesome neural networks. These are the game changers that can effortlessly supercharge your earnings and infuse that creative spark into your niches and channels. Ready to ride the neural wave with me? Let's explore digital gems and take our content creation to new heights. Commenter. AI, this is not just a unique tool controlled by artificial intelligence. Yes, it helps you create effective comments effortlessly, but that's not all. We've created an entire ecosystem for you that will help you maximize the impact of your comment. An exclusive LinkedIn community with valuable feedback, knowledge, and more customized commenting strategy for your business so that you can be more effective opportunity to participate in monthly AMA sessions organized for you. Experience the next level of digital connectivity with our innovative chat node feature. Seamlessly integrate personalized chatbots into your online ecosystem, training them on diverse data sets, including text, PDs, and URLs. Whether enhancing customer support, streamlining internal communication, or fostering interactive user experiences, ChatNode empowers you to tailor chatbots to your specific needs. Elevate engagement by offering real-time, contextually relevant interactions that reflect your brand's uniqueness. Harness the potential of AI-driven conversations to create a dynamic and responsive online environment. With ChatNode, not only can you optimize user experiences, but also unlock new dimensions of efficiency and innovation, propelling your digital presence to new heights. Absolutely, our AI-powered website builder is designed to streamline the website creation process by employing intuitive scripts. With its user-friendly interface, creating a personalized website is a breeze. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, our platform offers versatile solutions tailored to your needs. Dive into a seamless website building experience and unleash your creativity effortlessly. Today, we have a new dose of knowledge about how great channels earn on YouTube, and our regular segment, how much top channels earn and what niche they're in. But before we dive into this world, let's remember that each of the previous neural networks can be your creative tool. Let's tell you what top channels are capable of, and perhaps you'll find inspiration for your success. Keep your finger on the pulse and let's go. Unbelievable. Your success is a true phenomenon in the world of content. YouTube automation is when even your subscribers don't notice you're gone because the bot keeps churning out content. This is next level content. I'm showing you the phenomenon right here, right now. Why don't YouTubers ever lose at hide and seek? Because even neural networks can't find them in the sea of cat videos and endless lists. This is pure excellence. Witnessing your success is inspiring. YouTube automation is like trying to teach a robot to understand humor. It ends up saying 1 billion, 11 million, 10,101. This is seriously impressive. Congratulations on the achievements. YouTube automation is like trying to get a robot to sigh in exhaustion when it sees the workload. Spoiler alert, it succeeds. This level of success is truly commendable. Well done. YouTube automation is like trying to teach a robot to feel proud every time a new subscriber joins. Truly phenomenal. I'm just blown away by the magnitude of your success. YouTube automation is like trying to teach a robot to feel proud every time a new subscriber joins. unbelievable, right? I'm presenting you with a content marvel right before your eyes. Forward, friends! In this world, there are so many opportunities for growth and change. Reflect on what your heart truly desires and find your unique niche. Don't forget, if each of us does at least one good deed, there will be 8 billion acts of kindness in the world. Let's inspire each other, help one another, and create a better world together. Subscribe to stay informed about new neural tools. Like and comment your steps towards positive change. And if you prefer not to leave a comment, share why. I also recommend checking out one of these 2 videos. Until we meet again.